What is the real cost of a service truck? The real cost of a service truck is not just the price you pay at the dealership. It includes fuel, insurance, maintenance, tools, and the wear and tear from daily use. And when you add it all up, it often costs far more than most people expect. Think of a service truck like a small business on wheels, because it is not just a vehicle, it is basically a rolling office, warehouse, and workshop all in one. When a contractor buys a truck, the sticker price is only the beginning, since they still need to add shelving, ladder racks, toolboxes, and specialized equipment that can end up costing almost as much as the truck itself. Then there's fuel, which adds up fast because these trucks are heavier and less efficient than a regular car, especially when they are loaded down with tools and materials every single day. Insurance for a commercial vehicle is also much higher than a personal car, since the truck is used for work and carries valuable equipment inside it. Maintenance is another hidden cost that catches people off guard, because these trucks work so hard that oil changes, brake jobs, and tire replacements happen much more often than on a normal vehicle. Something most people never think about is depreciation, since a work truck loses value faster because of the heavy use, the miles, and the damage that happens from job sites. All of these little costs stack together quietly, and by the end of the year they can easily add up to thousands of dollars beyond what the truck itself costs to buy. One common mistake is only looking at the monthly payment when buying a truck, instead of thinking about the total cost of ownership. So a good tip is to calculate fuel, insurance, and maintenance costs before signing anything. Another misconception is that a used truck is always cheaper, but older trucks often need more repairs and can end up costing more over time, so it helps to check the maintenance history before buying one. A lot of people also forget to budget for downtime because when a truck breaks down and needs repairs, that means lost work and lost income. So setting aside an emergency fund for repairs can save a lot of stress later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.